Good morning friends. My name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see how to draw sample data control system, sample data signal flow graph and original data signal flow graph, and how to obtain transfer function of the sample data signal flow graph. Okay. Now, if we have control system having reference input RS, okay, feedback, negative feedback GS, okay, and HS. HS is the transfer function of feedback and GS is the transfer function of forward path, and this is output. So we have seen in the control system 1, in analog control system, how to obtain transfer function. We have seen Ys upon Rs is equal to Gs upon 1 plus Gs Hs. We have learned in control system 1. So in this control system, poles are, this means characteristic equation is 1 plus Gs Hs is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation by which we can obtain the stability of the given control system. Now, if we add one sampler here of sampling time Ts, now how to obtain transfer function of the given system for sampling time Ts? Now, first step is to obtain error equation Es and Ys. These equations are the backbone of sampled data control system. Es, error equation, and Ys. If control system having 1000 loops, here loop is 1000 loops, then we have to find Es and Ys only. Then second step is to obtain sampled value E star S and Y star S. Okay. For given control system, what is Es? Es is equal to Rs. Es is equal to Rs minus this. Now I am letting this is Bs. So Rs minus Bs. And what is Bs? Bs is equal to Hs into Ys. Bs is equal to Hs into Ys. I am considering this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So what is the value of output? Ys. Ys is equal to, output is equal to input into transfer function. So Ys is equal to transfer function into input. And what is input? If here is Es, then after sampler it will be converted into E star S. Okay. So Ys is equal to Gs into and we require Es into Ys only. So Es and Ys. First step is completed here. Now second step is sampled value of these two equations. Okay. So now E star S is equal to R star S minus B star S. Okay. And Y star S is equal to G star S into E star S. I think there is no problem because we have seen in the lectures property of sampler. Okay. So property of sampler, we can write this. And here we require B star S. So here is Bs. So sampling of this is B star S is equal to sampling of any. It's depend on you. Hs is sampled or Ys is sampled. I am letting H is constant and Y is sampled. Okay, this is equation number 5. Okay. Now E star S is equal to R star S minus, put the value of B star S from equation 5 into equation number 4. H into Y star S. Second equation number equation number 5 and equation number 6. Y star S is equal to G star S into E star S. Okay. Now we are ready for the signal flow graph. Output is equal to input into transfer function. Okay, we know. So if E star is the output, then input is R star S and transfer function is what? Output is equal to input into transfer function. Second, we can write Y star S as a node. So output is equal to input into transfer function, means transfer function is minus H. Now Y star is equal to G star S into E star S. Yani output is equal to input into transfer function. And this transfer function is known as sample data signal flow graph. Sample data signal flow graph. SFG. Sample data signal flow graph. How to calculate transfer function of the given sample data signal flow graph? Using Mason-Gain formula. We know Mason-Gain formula is used to calculate the transfer function for the given SFG, signal flow graph. What is Mason-Gain formula? Mason-Gain formula is applicable for both analog control system and digital control system. For digital control system, it is defined as Y star S upon R star S is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to K Pi delta I upon delta, where P is number of forward paths, delta is non-touching loop from corresponding forward path, and delta is non-touching loops, summation of non-touching loops. So here is forward path. We can see here is only one forward path, and which is this. So P1 is equal to G star S. Okay. What is the value of delta I? Delta I means delta 1 is equal to only 1. What is the value of delta? Delta is equal to 1 minus number of loops, L1 plus L2. So here is only one loop, L1. And what is the value of L1? L1 is equal to minus G star S into H. Okay. Now Y star S upon R star S is equal to 1 plus G star S into H and Pi P1 G star S. So can we compare the transfer function of analog and digital control system? Yes. Analog control system Ys upon Rs is equal to Gs upon 1 plus Gs Hs. So if we compare, then we get G is replaced by G star S. Now G star S into H, and this quantity may be written as Gs into Hs ka whole star, means whole sampled. So GSHS is replaced by GSHS का sampled value. Okay. So sampler changes the transfer function according to the values. Means GS, all values are sampled in the sample data control system, and this is a sample data control system, or you can say pulse transfer function. Okay. Thank you.